Hey everybody, today is October 2nd, 2023, and today I'd like to provide you an update on the YouTube invalid traffic bug / glitch that has hurt my channel's revenue for 3 months exactly, from June through September, and is still affecting many users out there who depend on YouTube for their income, either as full-time or as a supplemental income. So back in June, my channel, of course, was hit with this after it recorded a new record high for daily earnings. Views were not necessarily up. It was rather a spike in CPM. More or less, one video in particular, it was a video uploaded back in 2014 of how to disable or uninstall apps on an Android smartphone. That video was attracting some premium advertisers, or some premium ads, and these advertisers were willing to spend big money on ad placements in that video, which of course caused revenue to skyrocket on that video. Well, a few days later, the earnings for the entire channel plummeted to the lowest they had been since 2013. Yeah. Roughly a 70 to 80% drop from what I was making before this bug or glitch hit the channel. For 3 months, again, for 3 months, my earnings were so low they barely met the payment threshold for YouTube for the payout, and YouTube's creator support was pretty much useless. They more or less put the blame on the creator to fix the problem. But really, to be honest, it's more of a YouTube kind of problem based on the issues that many creators are having, big and small, with this bug, because they can look back at their traffic and see that the majority comes from either search or browse features or suggested videos. And it seems that channels that have a high paying CPM kind of niche, like technology for example, and the channel gets a lot of its traffic from search, such as QQ channel, those channels have been particularly the ones vulnerable to getting hit with this bug. And again, channels big and small, it's a really serious issue. I had seen a post on Twitter/X where somebody had screenshot or copied and pasted a note from YouTube creator support, finally admitting that they are working on a fix. Does it mean they admit that there was a bug? Can't say for certain, but who knows? Maybe, just maybe, YouTube is finally addressing the problem. I've also seen some posts on Reddit from partnered YouTube people reporting that the issue is getting resolved for them, which is good news. Nobody needs to be stuck in this mess unless you actually cause the invalid traffic. Then in that case, it's your own dang fault. But for the majority of the creators who are dealing with this, who were not driving invalid traffic, were not responsible for the invalid traffic, yet getting punished over this, it's ridiculous. It's totally unfair. So I can definitely say that things with the channel, as far as earnings, they've been back up to what they were, I want to say, about a year ago. They're not as high as they were before the glitch, right before the glitch happened. And it's not necessarily because of the glitch itself, it's more of another issue which I'm going to focus on in a later video. Views have been down. Views have been down this summer. I don't know if it's just simply because I have not posted as many videos during the glitch period, or it's because of YouTube's algorithm no longer recommending as many videos. But earnings, at least post glitch, although they're not as high as they were, everything seems normal as far as what the different types of ads are playing. So normally, when you look in your channel analytics and you go into you click on the revenue tab and you actually go into, I think it's advanced or something like that, and you get this graph where you can change a whole lot of different things around. You look at estimated revenue by ad type. You can see the different types of ads, like skippable video ads, non-skippable video ads, display ads, bumper ads, all those different ads. So normally on a good day, when you're not being affected by this glitch, your skippable video ads will definitely be paying a good bit higher than the rest of the ad types. Sometimes display ads comes up there too, but it really depends. But when your channel is being affected by the glitch, skippable video ads is generally in the toilet. It's generally down there with bumper ads and stuff like that. Another way to see if you're being affected by this bug, because let's face it, not everybody is getting the banner message and analytics saying ads have been limited on one or more videos due to invalid traffic. The other issue, or the other way to determine if you're being affected by this, is in that advanced view, you have to look for estimated monetized playbacks. And generally, when you're being affected by this glitch, you'll see a significant drop in estimated monetized playbacks, because YouTube's system is just simply not serving nearly as many ads. But then again, as I said earlier, YouTube's creator support and Team YouTube should be ashamed of themselves for how they treated their creators during this mess. Basically blaming it on the creators when really it's not the fault of the creators. And there's another post on Twitter/X that I need to actually link in the description of this video. You've got to read it. It's incredible. Very well worded out, and it really describes the issue and how creators have been suffering from this issue since the beginning of it. And unfortunately, due to this glitch, many, including myself, have reconsidered ever going full-time on YouTube should the income ever get to that point. Because let's face it, the stunt that YouTube pulled this summer, or this year rather, since November, I think 16, 2022, when the first part of this glitch happened, the platform is just simply not reliable. I mean, overnight, you can see your ad revenue plummet by 80 to 90%. And YouTube can be like, we can't tell you how to fix it, but fix it. Yeah, that's pretty much how they've treated creators during this mess. They're like, oh, we can't tell you which video is causing a problem, but fix it. You know how to fix it. Fix it. That's pretty much how creator support has treated creators. They basically have put the blame on the creators to figure it out. And honestly, the only way, I think the one thing is either sheer coincidence or this one change I made got my channel out of the glitch. It wasn't turning off embedding. It wasn't demonetizing the entire channel for 2 days. It wasn't totally taking down the channel's videos for 36 hours. What seemed to have gotten the issue resolved for me was going into my monetization settings on my upload defaults, and I think I covered this in the previous video, which, by the way, there is a card to the playlist of this whole situation. So I went into my upload defaults, and I realized that for some odd reason skippable video ads was not checked as a type of ad to be displayed on videos. But apparently at some point in the past, skippable ads were being shown on videos. So what I did is I changed the upload defaults, that way every time I upload a video those defaults will be applied. And then I also went into Creator Studio, selected all my uploads, went into the ad settings, and turned on skippable video ads for every single video that has monetization enabled. And immediately I noticed my revenue started to go up, and then a couple of days later the banner message, the invalid traffic banner message, went away from my channel LX page, and my revenue shot back up. So if you're still dealing with this, I hate it, I really do. I hope things work out for you soon. Don't create another channel. I wouldn't start from scratch on a new channel just yet, because here I was 2 months ago considering that, but here we are later on, and the issue had resolved. So don't need to create a new channel. So anyways, again, as I said, if you're dealing with this, I really hate it, and I hope things work out for you soon. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, thanks for taking the time to watch this video from Cuckoo channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel and be sure to tick the bell so we get notified when a new video post. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, leave a comment, and share this video as well as the channel with your friends and get the word out. Also, I have a second channel, that's CubeCompMTDX. Over there you'll find videos about thunderstorms and weather, cycling, and videos about me personally. Feel free to subscribe over there as well if you like. Again, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for your support.